Battery Price TV. Subscribe now.
The 2018 Tesla Model X joins brilliant road holding, a smooth calm ride, and momentous quickening in a useful family hybrid. All variants of the 2018 Tesla Model X are controlled by a lithium particle battery pack under the lodge floor and a couple of electric engines, one for every pivot, that power each of the four wheels. Decisions are constrained to battery limit, 75 or 100 kilowatt-hours, and whether to select the exceptionally expensive performance model of the 100D form. We rate the Model X at 8 calls attention to of 10 for its execution, giving it 1 additional point over the normal of 5 for better than expected increasing speed, another for better than expected ride, lastly 1 for its remarkable part as the sole long-extend battery electric family SUV available this year. The two engines in the Model X are evaluated at 193 kilowatts, 259 torque, engines, one on every hub. The higher execution P100D replaces the back engine with an immensely more capable 375 kW, 503 horsepower, unit, while the front engine remains the same. The P-Form additionally gets noteworthy moves up to its energy gadgets and different electronic control frameworks. Of course, from in the driver's seat, the Tesla Model X performs like a taller, heavier Model S vehicle. The heaviness of its underfloor battery is as low as it can go, and its front-rear weight circulation is 50 hours 50 minutes, so the moment torque and calm task of its electric engines gives amazing increasing speed to a vehicle that can achieve 3 tons completely stacked. On our street test, we got ourselves reliably voyaging 10 miles an hour quicker through country paths than we understood. The standard air suspension handles an assortment of street surfaces exceptionally well, giving a smooth ride under essentially any condition we experienced. The tremendous 20-inch tires adjusted moderately calm travel on grass, giving drivers a chance to hurl the Model X through corners at speeds that would likely have traditional extravagance hybrids skipping, yawing, and keeling over. It cornered level and typically, however, its weight can be evident as the electronically controlled drive programming and suspension frameworks work to continue everything stable. The unbelievable increasing speed mode on the Dragster P100D display does to be sure give staggering quickening when the battery is completely charged. While we didn't time it with a stopwatch, we acknowledge Tesla's claim that it can complete 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.0 seconds or less. It feels less emotional than doing likewise in a lower-to-the-ground Model S, yet it's significantly more noteworthy in a 7-situate utility vehicle. From the begin, the Model X brought to the table the capacity to pull trailers, and without a doubt it's evaluated for 5,000 pounds of towing limit. This uses battery vitality at a colossal rate, possibly cutting extent from the evaluated 240 to 290 miles to as meager as 100 miles at speed. What's more, few out of every odd supercharger quick charging station can oblige a Model X that has an Airstream behind it. Be that as it may, it stays fit for doing it, and a few proprietors exploit. More probable uses might be leased trailers from home supply stores loaded with the 4x8 foot plywood sheets that won't fit inside the Model X.